this terminal right here, the horn should be, if the horn's going to work. Because I'm just fooling this thing right here. Doesn't work.
Doesn't work?
Nope.
All right. What you doing, Pa?
Well, we were playing around with the horn, and we know the horn relay, I don't know if you can see that, is this piece right back here, relay, but we found out that the horn wire was disconnected. So when we connected the horn wire and jumpered the relay, made the relay work, we found out that it did indeed supply 12 volts to make the horn work. So then the issue was, why did he disconnect the original system and added some additional wiring? And what we were able to find out is something in the steering wheel had quit working. So what he did is he added a toggle switch. I don't know if you can see that. There's a switch right here. And he had wired this in, and this is how he blew the horn. And he did that because this system in here, for whatever reason, quit working. Okay? So we took this off. We took the horn ring off. Okay? And this is the piece, and it's got a little wobble to it. You know, I guess the right word is it oil cans. When it oil cans, it allows it to touch the bottom piece, grounding out the relay, turning the relay on, sending power to the thing. All right, I noticed when we took this off right away, there's a part missing inside here. But in this big hole is supposed to be a spring with a little brass button on it, and it actually touches this piece, and it touches a brass slip ring that's down underneath here. And whenever that little spring, whenever that grounds out, it turns the relay on, and that spring is gone. Now, years ago, I can remember throwing those away. Now I need one. Okay, we've replaced the little button that was missing. Actually, we got that down south someplace. It came from a place that sells Corvair parts. This is the same part that's used in the Corvair. I've cleaned the paint out of here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ground that little thing to here, and the horn should blow. It works.
It works.
Now we're going to put the rest of it together. Now, this is where it gets noisy, I think. Because if this is going to work, when I oil can this, it should go off.
Yoo-hoo!
That's how it's supposed to work.
Got it.
All right, we got it all back together. Screws are all in, and we'll see if it works. Now, the interesting part of this is there was one little piece missing, and they also painted inside, which they shouldn't have done, because when they painted in there, then it insulated the horn and it wouldn't ground out. But all that one little piece caused them to change the whole horn wiring, add a switch to control it, but now it's back to normal, the way it should be. Oh, yeah, gotta put the Chevy piece on. There, all done.
And what are you working on now?
We're taking off the distributor cap and the coil, and we're gonna replace it. I don't know if you can see. Can you zoom in here? These are the contacts that go to the spark plug wires. Okay, and here's another one over here. And if you'll notice, going over to this one and this one
Those don't look the same.
and this one, they broke off. This is what they should look like, remember? So we've got to take this off. Now this is a HEI distributor. That means the coil is part of this package. So this is the coil. We don't have a standalone coil. So we're going to take this off, and it should about come off pretty soon here. And that's what it looks like. And that's our distributor down below. This is our wiring. You can see our wiring leaves a little to be desired on this baby. Hold that because you don't want to get that dirty with grease either. Ah! All right, let me just wipe it. You'll wipe it off when you're done. So everything looks good. Okay, good. Put your cap on. Now the cap is indexed also.